Hello friends, so today I will show you what is the difference between rank and dense rank in Windows function in MySQL or SQL Server. So basically the difference is normal rank follows the incremental positions like 1, 2, 3, 4, and dense rank follows the common value skip method. That means if say any two values are same, then it will give the same index value and then we'll follow the next one. Now we'll understand how it works. So here we are using the employee data set, and the table is the salary, and we are interested to find the employee number the employee which has signed multiple contracts from different dates, and we want to find if what is the rank and dense rank of their salary. Okay, how many salaries it has drawn. Okay, so we'll write this simple query: select employee number from date when he started, then salary, then we will use this rank function, that is rank over partition by employee number and order by salary in descending order. Okay, then next is a dense rank. The formula of dense rank could be same. Instead of rank it would be dense rank. Okay, from salary table where employee number is 10 560. So this is a standard thing which we are just filtering specific employee records. Okay, now we will see what is the output. So here output we have received for this particular employee number. The uh, date which he has signed is here you can see the different dates are there, and this is the salary. Okay, and this is the rank. Now please keep in mind that we have asked to put it order by salary, so here it has put it in the rank based on the salary. Okay, so here interesting fact is this 44,789, both are the same salary. Okay, so in rank you can see 1 2 2 4 5. So you can say it has not skipped the index incremental value, that is like 1. So naturally if you count how many rows are there, so 1 2 3 4 5 5 records are there. Okay, despite that both are same, so it has also given identified as a 2, but in incremental way it has not skipped the natural index value, that is 1. Okay, now in dense rank what will happen, these two values are same for this record. Two values are same, so it will give the same value like rank, but when it moves ahead with the next one, then it will give the next third rank. Okay, so here you can see 1 2 3 4 total rows are 4, but the following rank is 3. So here dense rank, that is the difference between rank and dense rank. Dense rank do not skip the index value, I mean incremental index. Okay, sorry, the rank do not skip the incremental values, that is 1. It follows the number of records as a counting values. Okay, and in dense rank, if any two values are same, then this will give the same rank, and then we'll start with the following next rank, that is 3. So this is a difference between rank and dense rank. If you have any question, feel free to post your question in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.